Hey everyone, this is Simeon with Both Lighting USA, and I'm going to show you guys how to install our Diamond or any of our programming on a Mac computer. I know it can be a little bit confusing. So first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to download the program file. So we got it right here in a zip format. What we're going to do is we're going to double click on it and we're going to unzip it. All right. Once it's unzipped, you're going to see possibly a couple more. What you want is the SoundSwitch programming right there. It's going to extract it again. And you're going to see it with this tag SSPROJ. This is the file that you're going to want to transfer to SoundSwitch. Now you're going to want to move it to the SoundSwitch folder that's going to be in your music folder right over here. So what you're going to do, if you don't have a music folder and you don't have quick access to it, I'm going to show you how to get it real quick. So we're going to go to Finder and Settings. From Settings, we're going to go to the sidebar. So right over here. And then we're going to make sure we check this box and add the music folder. It's going to make it so much easier for you to locate your music folder and music files. So we're going to double click on that, and there's your SoundSwitch file right there. So what we'll do is we're going to open up a new Finder window, just like that. We're going to go to Music. We're going to go to SoundSwitch, and you're going to see I have a whole bunch of programming here. I'm not going to do it right now, but you're going to drag this, and you're just going to drop it in here. And what that's going to do is it's going to load it up into the SoundSwitch folder. From there, all you're going to have to do is open up your SoundSwitch. So go down here, open up SoundSwitch, and you're going to go to Edit or Perform. You're going to go to File. We're going to Open Project. You're going to find the file, hit Open, and that's it. It's that simple. All right. Enjoy. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at info@bothlightingusa.com.